So good morning, everyone. So a small portion of the BGT small signal operation and models was left out yesterday. So that I will cover 3 or 4 slides. It is there, and then we'll take up the second unit in this module, that is about MOSFET. Okay. So we have started with the discussion BGT biasing. Then we have taken the small signal operation, and last class we have seen the voltage gain and problem based on that. Okay. And we have discontinued the discussion to get the equivalent model. I told you what is equivalent model. Okay, so it is same like in a circuit. You know, if it is a dependent source is there, voltage source is there, resistor, inductor, capacitor is there, you can easily apply the network laws. Okay, network theorems or whatever, you can easily get its analysis. Okay, but when a semiconductor device like MOSFET or BJT, FET, anything, if it comes over there, you need to have an equivalent model. All right, okay? Only then you can able to do the analysis very easily. So that's what about this. And these models are approximate. Okay, not exact one, they are approximate one. Okay, similarly the hybrid phi model, there are different models also there. RE model is there, phi model is there, T model is there. Okay, but all they are not there in your syllabus. Only hybrid phi model they have mentioned, and that I will just discuss about that. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit of an BJT model in the hybrid phi way. So it looks like a phi. Okay, and this is the diagram, same thing you have seen in the last time in the two port networks. H parameters. Okay, so H parameters, you had the two port this side. Okay, so here two port, here is base and emitter. Okay, and output is collector and emitter. So emitter is common between the both. Okay, so that's what the picture it is. And at input side you have the input current is IB, the voltage is VBE, and the element here is R5. Okay, so this is the resistance associated with base current. Okay, we have discussed. And at the output side we have a one dependent source or a controlled source. So this is a transconductance, and it is a voltage, and it is the current. Okay, and that means what? It is voltage controlled current source. Okay, so it is a voltage controlled current source. Earlier also I have mentioned that. Okay, so this is the model. Okay, so here GM, you know, it is given by IC by VT, and R5 is given as beta by GM. So these are some of the equations we have done in last sessions. Okay, so this model represents the BJT as a voltage controlled current source and explicitly includes the input resistance looking into the base, that is R5. The model obviously yields IC equal to GM into VB. So this current is GM into VB is nothing but the IC, and I beta IB is nothing but VB by R5. So that means this current is nothing but, so it is voltage by resistance. Voltage is VBE, resistance is R5. So that's what this picture is going to give. So now using the relationship, okay, so this GM R5, we know different relations of this, right? Just if we substitute, we can get this as a current controlled current source also. Okay, so this GMVB is a voltage controlled current source. I can just replace this by current controlled current source by just substituting some equations and modifying it. So that also sometimes used in the analysis. Okay, so that we look at second part. So this is the model. Okay, so if they ask hybrid phi model, so this is the model, and this is voltage controlled current source. Okay, so now we'll see current controlled current source. For that we'll do little modification in the equations. Okay, so however, not so obvious is the fact that the model also yields the correct expression for IE. Okay, so this can be shown as follows. So just look at the picture. So IE current, you know, it is given as the base current plus collector current, and this complete, it is a signal current. Okay, all are small here, letter as well as subscript, everything is small. IE equal to IB plus IC. So IB, we know from previous diagram, we told VB by R5, that is for IB, and IC is given as GM into VB. So this is the basic equation, and the substitution is from the basic R hybrid phi model only. So now this will try to modify. So in both the things, what we'll do, VB by R5 we try to take common. Okay, VB by R5, if I try to take common, so first term will be same, so that's why it is written as 1 plus, so here GM is there, but here VB is there, R5 is not there, so that's why R5 will come over here. So if you multiply VB by R5 into GM R5, R5 cancel, remaining is GM VB. So just this is the modification I am doing here. Okay, so it is 1 plus gm r5 you are getting. So now what is gm into r5 according to, so gm is given as, so vb by r5. So this gm r5 is nothing but the beta. So this is previous relation we have done. R5 is equal to, so what is the relation? R5 is equal to 5 by gm. Okay, this relation you know. Okay, so from this, now if you have gm into r5, that is we can substitute it as beta. Very simple. Okay, so since you got here beta, so now this can be written as vbe by, so we try to take this 1 plus beta in the denominator. Okay, so this is vba by r5 is there, and this 1 plus beta is in numerator. So to bring it in denominator, super denominator, so it will come below the r5. So we'll write like this, r5 by 1 plus beta. So this is a vb by r5. So what is r5 by 1 plus beta? Again, you know this relation, right? So re is r5 is given as re into 1 plus beta. That relation, you know, r5 and re relation. From that, r5 by 1 plus beta is re. So this is your IE current now, VBE by RE. So just what I am trying to do is, the input side I am substituting IE now, VBE by RE. Okay. So just seeing this, so we'll try to get an equivalent model now. Whatever modifications we have done equation wise, that can be proved in picture as well. Okay. So a slightly different equivalent circuit model can be obtained by expressing the current of the controlled source in terms of the base current IB as follows. Okay, so left side no changes I'm doing, R5, VB, IB, it is same. But the right side, so how I can prove is, here GM into VB is there, previous, right? So GM into VB is there. So that VB, you know, you can substitute as IB into R5, right? So GM into R5. So then I will group here, GM and R5 I will group. So this GM and this R5 I will group and write like this, and IB I will write outside. And you know that GM into R5 is nothing but beta. So that's why earlier picture. Okay, so earlier picture you had GM into VBE, voltage controlled current source. Now I can substitute it as beta by IB by these set of derivations only. So here you had GM into VBE. So that by doing such operations, these operations, we have put that it is equal to beta times IB. So the model is little bit modified here. So now this is called as a current controlled current source. So these two models we can use it in BJT. So whenever BJT is connected in a circuit, we can replace it by a two-port network like this. Okay, and how it is called as current controlled current source and voltage controlled current source. So that is the analysis. Okay, so it is a small idea to show you the model. Clear? So that's what your topic is about, small signal operation and models. Okay, together it will be. So based on the operation only you got the models. Okay, so hope these two models you can easily remember. So just last few points. The two models of the BJT are simplified versions of what is known as the hybrid 5 model. Okay, this is the most widely used model for the BJT. Okay, so only the important one we are discussing. There are other models also were there in earlier syllabus. Okay, RE model, T model, and where that we are not discussing. Okay, so it is important to note that the small signal equivalent circuits of figure model the operation of the BJT at a given bias point. Okay, and this should be obvious from the fact that the model parameters GM and R5. So to prove that, the parameters GM, that is transconductance, and the resistance associated with the base current depend on the value of the DC bias current IC as indicated in figure. Okay, so they are depending on, so from you can prove it, right? GM is given as IC by VT. Similarly, R5 is connected to IC, okay, in some expression. Okay, so that is what about that. So it is at the given bias point. Finally, although the models have been developed for an NPN transistor, so whatever two models I shown you, it is for NPN transistor. The same way you can equally apply equally well to a PNP transistor with no change of polarities. So just the PNP you can make changes and you can derive the models like this. Okay, but normally in the book and all we will be using the NPN itself. Okay, if you are going in industry, if specifically client wants PNP, you have to go for that. Okay, so this is the discussion on BJT part. Okay, the complete first set of this module 1 is about BJT. I told you before discussing any MOSFET. So first the discussion on BJT should be there. Otherwise it should not be, it should be a incomplete discussion. That's why they have put the small part of BJT. So in that we have seen biasing. Biasing means what? And then we have taken the small signal operation of that with a conceptual circuit, and we try to derive a model for that hybrid phi model. Okay, so this is about the first section. So now we'll take up the second part. Okay,